Hello, my name is Tina Gote, and I am submitting my entry for News Summary 1, EDA School Law. The case that I will be discussing is Kennedy versus Bremerton School District of 2022. The summary: in 2015, Joseph Kennedy, a public school football coach in Bremerton, Washington, was reprimanded and suspended for engaging in a silent prayer on the field after games. He was a school coach, a football coach. He initially prayed quietly, but students began joining him. He was reprimanded and placed on administrative leave, and his contract later was not renewed. The legal question here is, does the First Amendment, the freedom of speech, guarantee a public employee's First Amendment right to engage in religious expression while on duty? The relief sought is reinstatement to his coaching position, a declaration that the school violated his First Amendment right, and injunction relief that would ensure compliance with constitutional rights. The precedents and tests that were used in this case was the Lemon test. The government action has secular purpose, and the effect: does the action advance or inhibit religious and entanglement between government and religion? And the coercion test for Lee versus Wiseman of 1992 were evidence of forced involvement. The ruling by the Supreme Court was 6-3 in favor of Kennedy, settled in 2022. His religious activity was personal and private. It was protected by the First Amendment and his right to freedom of expression, unless it led to any undue coercion or government endorsement, which in this case it did not, because it was private, or considered private and determined by this case. The significance of this case is that the protections of individual freedom and rights in public spaces was addressed. The Supreme Court held that the government employees cannot restrict an employee's individual expression as long as it does not infringe on the rights of the students, reaffirming the employee's right for religious freedom in private religious activities. I've included a citation for where I've gotten my data. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a good day.